Welcome to my channel. Is your Wi-Fi weak in some areas? In this video, I'll show you how to set up your NETGEAR BE5000 EXS25 Wi-Fi 7 range extender step by step for better coverage. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and power on. Unbox your EXS25 extender and plug it in near your router. Wait for the LED to turn solid. Step 2. Connect to extender network. Open Wi-Fi settings on your device and connect to the NETGEAR_X network. Step 3. Open Nighthawk app. Download and open the NETGEAR Nighthawk app, then follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Connect to router Wi-Fi. Select your home Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect the extender. Step 5. Web setup, optional. You can also use a browser by visiting mywifi.ext.net and completing the setup. Step 6. Test and placement. Move the extender halfway between your router and weak signal area. Check the LED and test your connection. And that's it. Your extender is ready to boost your Wi-Fi. Like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.